Welcome to Pagan Crafting. Today we're going to make an easy DIY pentacle candles. This super fast, extremely easy project is going to take you only a few materials, an extremely short amount of time, and it will impress your friends and look really beautiful on your altar. Join me today as we make some pentacle candles. Okay, so the supplies we're going to use are a couple prayer candles, 7-day candles, and we're going to use the color white. Now we're going to use some white lace, or you could use some white ribbon if you'd like. We're going to use some Mod Podge, some sparkles, and some hot glue. Next, we're going to print out on some vellum paper this beautiful star design that I found online. Because I found it for free online, it's going to be on my Patreon for all members, paid and free members on Pagan Crafting Patreon. Make sure that the vellum paper that you choose to buy fits in your printer, because not all vellum paper will print in your printer. So always do a little double check for that. We're going to print out and we're going to cut out and we're going to get this ready. Now, one thing fun about these stars, it has all 4 elements plus spirit, so you can choose which direction you want the star to point up as. Maybe you are a fire sign, so you want the red to be pointed up. I'm going to go with spirit on this one, and I'm liking the purple. Throwing down a generous amount of a matte finish Mod Podge. Now I am bringing up the star up higher on top of the candle, because I'm going to be bringing some lace around the bottom. Starting from the middle and then squeezing out any excess glue with your thumbs very softly so you don't rip the paper. And that should be dry for you very quickly. Now that those are dried, we're going to do my favorite part. We're going to add some shine. Again, using some Mod Podge here. You could use a gloss or a matte finish, whichever you desire on this part. Try to get the glue even, because when you do put your sparkles on there, if you have uneven globs of glue, it's not going to look as sharp on this project. And shaking out the sparkles of your choice. I'm choosing some beautiful white iridescent sparkles for mine. Now that that's dry, I'm doing a very thick coat to seal in all the sparkles, because they will get absolutely everywhere as you move it around your house. Now that those are dry, we're going to add some lace to this project. Look at that iridescent sparkle. Beautiful. Oh, they look so lovely. So I'm going to start off with about a 1/2 inch lace around the top. And Manos will cut both of them at the same time. So we're going to rock that. And I'm going to put this on with some hot glue around the top, because some of these have some numbers printed on it, so I just want to hide it a little bit. There's like a batch number printed on the glass, so this is really a pretty way to hide it and no one needs to know. There, so I'm going to do that on both of them now. Now you could use any lace that you'd like. I have a choice of 2 and I haven't used this one yet. So I'm going to go with this beautiful lace that I just found at Michael's craft store. Another beautiful place to get lace is fabric stores. They have an abundant by the yardage. So again, we're going to use hot glue for the back part. And I'm just going to go a little bit of glue on the back, squishing it down. Looks like I didn't quite have enough there. And I do want it to squish through the lace in the back so then I can overlap it. Using the scissors to help squish it down there, and it just a little less burnage on the fingers. And there we have it, just something very quick, easy, simple to do, and it looks so sharp. And now for the reveal. I'm so pleased with how these turned out. Again, if you wish to make these yourself, go help yourself. Go on over to Pagan Crafting Patreon, and I'll have the picture posted there for you to download as a PDF form, and you can make your own pentacle candle yourself too. Well, thanks so very much for hanging out with me, and have yourself an absolutely magical day.